Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to make a toggle which is basically for showing and hiding a paragraph. Okay, and for making this toggle, I'm going to use state hook. Okay, so and I'm going to follow the same pattern. Like firstly, I'm going to show you the fun output of this video. Okay, then then we will discuss the problem statement. Sorry, not problem statement. We are going to discuss the question uh, by by which we can get the clear idea that what we are going to make in this video. And after that, I will code manually on VS Code while explaining you the code line by line. And at the end, I will run the code and check whether it is fully working or not. Okay, so let's go. So this is going to be the final output. Like when I click hide, then the para is sorry. When I click hide, then the para is visible. This line, this paragraph is hiding. Like hide. When I click show, then this para is visible. Okay. So this is what I have to make in this video. So let's go to the problem statement. Not problem statement, basically the question. So I have to make a toggle visibility creates a button that shows and hides a paragraph when clicked. Like when I click, the button shows and hide according to the according to the button. It will do the work. Like when I click shows, then the paragraph should be visible, and when I click hides, then the paragraph should hide. So let's go to the VS Code. So this is I've already made the folder and install all the dependencies because this is very time taking stuff and I don't want to make the video lengthy. So let's go. Okay, so here at first I'm going to remove all this app.jsx file code and going to make one component, name that component toggle.jsx. And in this toggle.js, I'm going to write the actual code of this for this toggle. Okay, so let's go. Import import create from create import. I'm going to use state hook in this. So I'm going to import it use state from yeah. Now for default function I will okay. Now I'm going to initialize this user state hook from if visible comma set is well and going to give the initial state cell value that is true. Now I'm going to make a function for handling the state. Okay, so yeah, let's go. So function then toggle handler. In this, I check if in this function, I will check if the is visible is true, then I'm going to make it false and via function set is visible. Okay, and if the is visible is false, then I'm going to make it true. Okay, like vice versa. Whenever the button is clicked, according to that, I'm going to change the true and false value. Okay, so if is visible. Like if it is true, then set visible is going to set the is visible to false, and whenever else that is visible is going to be true. Okay. Now the actual UI part. So here I'm using a condition. Like if is visible is true, then the paragraph is going to be visible, and if the uh, is visible is false, then uh, paragraph shouldn't be visible. Okay. So the condition is something like this: is visible and paragraph. So I'm going to write para is visible. Okay. Now I have to make a button. Okay. I can't make two buttons. I have to make only one button, and in that only, when I click show, then the button should convert into hide, and when I click hide, then button should convert into show button. Okay, so how I am going to make that button one click. So when I click the function, the handle, the toggle handle function should call. We have to call toggle handle function. So here toggle handler, toggle handler, and like yes. Yeah, so using we are going to use, or I'm going to use a ternary operator function. Like if is visible is true, then uh, the button is going to show the option show, and when it is false, it's like respectively. Let's make it. Then it is going to be more clear. Okay, is visible. If it is true, then hide. If it is visible, then hide it. If not visible, then show. Sorry, if not visible, then so. Okay, so let's go. Um, app.jsx info react from react, importing that toggle file. Okay, toggle.jsx importing that toggle.jsx match for default function app return. Oh, sorry. Now I'm going to call that toggle. So I'm going to run this. cd intermediate. So as you can see, para is visible. So now para is visible. And when I click this hide button, then the para is visible should hide. As you can see, it hides. And when I click the show, para is visible. So I think my code is 100% working, 100% correct. And if you are watching till the end, till now, thank you for watching.